Hi friends, welcome to my channel Jennifer Geller. In this episode we will see how to make friends and influence the people. Please subscribe to our channel because it supports us to make quality videos. Please search our channel when you open the YouTube. Introduction. Did you ever stop to think that a dog is the only animal that doesn't have to work for a living? A hen has to lay eggs, a cow has to give milk, and a canary has to sing. But a dog makes his living by giving you nothing but love. The principle: you can make more friends in 2 months by becoming interested in other people than you can in 2 years by trying to get other people interested in you. The real life, yet I know, and you know people who blunder through life trying to wigwag other people into becoming interested in them. Of course, it doesn't work. People are not interested in you. They are not interested in me. They are interested in themselves, morning, noon and after dinner. The New York Telephone Company made a detailed study of telephone conversations to find out which word is the most frequently used. You have guessed it, it is the personal pronoun I. It was used 3,900 times in 500 telephone conversations. When you see a group photograph that you are in, whose picture do you look for first? If we merely try to impress people and get people interested in us, we will never have many true, sincere friends. Friends, real friends, are not made that way. One can win the attention and time and cooperation of even the most sought-after people by becoming genuinely interested in them. If we want to make friends, let's put ourselves out to do things for other people, things that require time, energy, unselfishness, and thoughtfulness. If we want to make friends, let's greet people with animation and enthusiasm. When somebody calls you on the telephone, use the same psychology. Say hello in tones that bespeak how pleased you are to have the person call. Many companies train their telephone operators to greet all callers in a tone of voice that radiates interest and enthusiasm. The caller feels the company is concerned about them. Let's remember that when we answer the telephone tomorrow. Showing a genuine interest in others not only wins friends for you, but may develop in its customers a loyalty to your company. Case study: Charles R. Walters, of one of the large banks in New York City, was assigned to prepare a confidential report on a certain corporation. He knew of only one person who possessed the facts he needed so urgently. As Mr. Walters was ushered into the president's office, a young woman stuck her head through a door and told the president that she didn't have any stamps for him that day. "I am collecting stamps for my 12-year-old son," the president explained to Mr. Walters. Mr. Walters stated his mission and began asking questions. The president was vague, general, nebulous. He didn't want to talk, and apparently nothing could persuade him to talk. The interview was brief and barren. He was recalled that the foreign department of our bank collected stamps taken from letters pouring in from every continent washed by the 7 seas. Next morning he said that he had some stamps for his boy. He was ushered in with enthusiasm, and the president told all he knew to Mr. Walters and then called in his subordinates and questioned them. He telephoned some of his associates. He loaded him down with facts, figures, reports and correspondence. Conclusion: if you want others to like you, if you want to develop real friendships, if you want to help others at the same time as you help yourself, keep this principle in mind. Become genuinely interested in other people.